magic of proper ventilation, a crucial component of any HVAC system. Ventilation isn't just about moving air, it's about ensuring that the air you breathe is clean and healthy. Think of it as the lungs of your home, constantly working to expel stale air and bring in fresh, oxygen-rich air. Now let's talk about air quality. It's not just a buzzword, it's a vital aspect of your well-being. Poor air quality can lead to a host of health issues, from allergies to respiratory problems. But don't worry, achieving good air quality is within your reach. It starts with understanding the role of filters. These unsung heroes trap dust, pollen, and other airborne particles, ensuring that the air circulating through your home is as clean as possible. Regularly checking and replacing filters is a simple yet effective way to maintain air quality. Then there's the matter of ducting. Picture it as the highway system of your HVAC setup, directing air to every corner of your home. Well-maintained ducts ensure that air flows efficiently without leaks or leakages. Over time, ducts can accumulate dust and debris, which not only hampers airflow but also affects air quality. Periodic cleaning and inspection of ducts can prevent these issues, keeping your system running smoothly. In essence, mastering ventilation, air quality, and ducting is about creating a comfortable and healthy living environment. By paying attention to these elements, you're not just maintaining your HVAC system, you're enhancing your quality of life. Remember, a little knowledge and regular upkeep go a long way in ensuring that your home remains a sanctuary of fresh, clean air. 64. Understanding airflow, ducts, and indoor air quality. When we think about HVAC systems, we often focus on the big players like the furnace or the air conditioner. But let me tell you, the unsung heroes of your comfort are the airflow, ductwork, and indoor air quality. These elements are the backbone of any efficient